Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Mindset Podcast. I'm Jane. Thanks for spending a few minutes of your day with me. How are you doing today? I hope you're feeling okay. And if not, that's okay too. So before we jump into today's topic, let's just slow down for a moment. Take a breath. We're just talking here. Some days feel calm and some days feel busy before they even start. And honestly, mornings have a big effect on how the whole day feels. That's why today I want to talk about busy mornings and slow mornings. Let me start with a question for you. How was your morning today? Was it busy or was it slow? I'll tell you about my morning first. Today I had a slow morning and it felt really nice. I woke up and stayed in bed for a moment, not sleeping, just thinking. Then I got up slowly. No rushing. I washed my face. I brushed my teeth. Very calm. After that, I made coffee. My favorite part. I sat down with my coffee. No phone. Just quiet. That's what a slow morning feels like to me. But not every morning is like that. Some mornings are very busy. I think you know what I mean. The alarm rings. You look at the time, and you think, oh no, I'm late. You jump out of bed. Everything is fast. Fast shower. Fast clothes. Maybe no breakfast. That's a busy morning. Busy mornings feel loud. Slow mornings feel peaceful. But here's the truth. We can't always choose. Some days are busy. Some days are slow. And that's okay. Even on a busy morning, one small calm moment helps. One deep breath, one sip of water. Small things can change how the day feels. Now let's do a little English together. If your morning was busy, you can say, I had a busy morning. If your morning was slow, you can say, I had a slow morning. Simple, useful, real English. So now it's your turn. Think about your morning today. Was it busy or slow? You can write one sentence in the comments. I had a busy morning, or I had a slow morning. Thank you for listening and sharing this time with me. I really enjoy these quiet conversations. This is Jane from the English Mindset Podcast. I'll talk to you again very soon. Take care and have a good day. Bye for now.